Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, don't waste time. First, flip the mute switch off and disconnect Bluetooth so sound will play from the phone. Open Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics. You'll see ringer and alerts with a slider. This controls alarm loudness. If you want quick button control, enable Change with Buttons. Once done, drag the slider up to raise the baseline alarm volume. This is the primary control the clock app uses, so set it noticeably louder now. Next, open Clock and edit the alarm you'll use. Tap Sound and pick a bright, high-volume tone. Custom tones can be louder than default choices, so test several. Make sure vibration is on if you need tactile backup. Also check sleep or focus settings. Alarms must be allowed through, otherwise they may be silenced. Finally, confirm that ringer and alert slider remains high after choosing the sound, because the alarm loudness equals that slider level. Finish by creating a test alarm 1 or 2 minutes ahead and listen. If it sounds correct, you're done. If it's too quiet, make sure Bluetooth is off, restart the phone, and check for iOS updates. Software bugs or a stuck audio route can cause low volume. Inspect the speaker for debris and ensure focus / do not disturb isn't blocking alarms. As a last resort, reset all settings or contact Apple support. That troubleshooting tip often resolves persistent volume routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.